Okay, so plan for today is to start staining this to be we've got a wee playground around the corner, so we've got some of that stain left over, so we're going to start staining it the same colour to match the playground. So wish me luck. I've just put on one layer of stain so far, but I thought this was a cool wee thing to show. So you can see where I've stained there. Now this is a piece of wood that we found about 6 months or so ago that I did a bit of a test stain on to see how it would end up looking. And if you look on the side there, of course I actually stained both sides of this for reasons unbeknownst. You can see how much that stain colour actually soaks in over time, like right through the middle of it. So I just thought I'd show you that because that's pretty cool. It's not just colour, it's actually an oil as well, so it actually protects the wood against splitting and drying out and that sort of thing. So yeah, not cheap, but pretty good stuff.
It's a real fiddly bit, is this?
Yeah.
As you can imagine, trying to get a slot in at both ends. I'm going to take this lump of wood down.
Yep.
Right, we can manage to put that up without.
Yep.
And we need to do that because I've got to get it into both slots at the same time.
Yep.
Which is going to be fun.
It is. Other option is to sort of do a 3-point turn with it. go down there and then...
Of course it'll work. Right, go.
Come on. That was easy.